Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So you're gonna see that what we have discussed in the commodity, this is the crude oil guys. I have also told you that if it will came somewhere here, it will act as support. You can see here, I will just stretch it out. You can see that exactly here only bullish candle. Here only what we have done is our entry point at this place only. I have taken my entry point and my exit, my SL will be the at this red candle low. After that you can see that our first target is will reach, second target, third target also reached. Somewhere here only red candle has been making, so I am exited somewhere here only because I know that what happened is that somewhere here only it came downside also, but what happened, I have exited here only whole quantity, and you can see that become a very volatile market. After that you can see that our target also reached. If you have patience and taken some of the hours only, between 10 to 15 hours you have holded, then has been reached over all three target. But what happened, I have do not wanted to take any risk, or I have also made so many positions in forex also, so that's why I have not taken any risk and exited here only. Hope you have also traded and making a very huge amount of money guys. Okay guys, now we can see that the in natural gas. Okay guys, in natural gas what I have told you, that is okay, but what happened here, you can see here guys, what happened is that here it slightly gap down open, exactly taken resist, consolidate. After that this green candle, you can see here guys, what happened, I have taken a small quantity guys, not bigger quantity, because I am not so much confident. If I am so much confident, then I will take it, but here is the small, in smaller time frame it is consolidating only. Whenever anywhere it will break, I will take the position that I have in my mind. So that's why this green candle has been made. After that only I have, what I have done, my SL will be the this green candle only low. Okay guys, after that I have achieved our whatever target is that, this is our first and final target, but I have taken it up till this green candle has been made and closing somewhere here only. I have exited whole position. After that you can see that how nicely it came downside, but bearishness has been not seen, but bulls are so much strong, you can see here. But here we can, what we have seen is that here you can see here guys, triple top what we have seen. This is the first top, this is second, this is third. Three means it's triple top pattern is making. After that only you can see that how huge fall has been came. Okay guys, after that somewhere here only it came once again downside. What I have done, I have taken here somewhere position, I have kept my SL at this position. You can see that our first target easily reached, second target also reached. In second target only I have exited whole quantity because I don't want to take any risk or anything, because I have also made in a forex position also, I have told you previously only. So I have exited within, you can see that 1 2 3, within 3 to 4 candles only, how huge profit we have made in. So I don't have to take any risk, or you can see that here volatile happened, after that taking resistance came down. That's okay, but what we have expected, that has been achieved. That's okay for us, and that is sufficient for us. Okay guys, now we can see the gold price. Okay guys, what happened in gold price, I have told you, if it will take resistance somewhere here, then only you can go for first target, second target. I have specifically told you guys, if you have following me so much earlier only, so you have know that I have always tell you that second target only you have to book your 70% of your profit. 70% guys. Okay guys, why is that? Because I have back tested my strategy, and that is 70%, that is 100% accurate, means 100% accuracy is there for achieving second target. After here only, at second target only, it will take a support, or it became a reversible. That's why I have exited my 70% here only at this point only. After that it's consolidating and going upside, so I am not traded in this gold. After here only, I have told you this will also act as a resistance. Okay, I will just shift it. Okay, here only I have told you this will act as resistance. Just a second guys, so somewhere here I have told you at this place only it will take resistance. If broken, then we can go for upside momentum. Otherwise, we can take downside. After here only you have seen also exactly taking resistance. Okay, guys, I am not ready, but you can see here, guys. If you have taken here position and kept your SL at this position also here somewhere, you can see that one-sided momentum has been come and you have captured very good amount of money. Hope you have captured these all things and made a very huge amount of money, guys. Okay, guys, now we can discuss where the market gonna behave for the next week. How you can gonna trade for crude oil. Okay, guys, I will just remove this. Okay, done. Right now what we have seen here, you can see that here continuously bars are coming, guys. So what we gonna see is here is that we can see that it will act as one of the major supporting areas. It gonna act for us right now. Okay, guys, but remember this is also a very important point, guys, because here only the very huge amount of money also been made. Okay, guys, here only you can see that here only it's made on double top also. Okay, guys, almost triple top only, but double top we can consider it. Okay, guys, right now what we have to see, if it will consolidate and came downside and take support, then you can easily reach your first target. This will be the second target, something here it will be the third target, this will be the fourth, and final target will be the fifth somewhere here, guys. Okay, guys, these are the five target. If this will consolidate and somewhere like just a second, here somewhere trend line is going on, so somewhere like this, if it will consolidate then broke on upside momentum also, it will gives us very huge momentum. Okay, guys, if it will came downside taking resistance somewhere here, then you can expect your first target will be here, guys. This will be the your second target, guys. Obviously, if once again take resistance somewhere here, then you can achieve third target. This will be the final and fourth target. Okay, guys, if here only taking support, then you can go for upside momentum like this. Okay, guys, these are the crude oil analysis. Now we gonna switch it on the natural gas analysis, guys. So I will just remove these brushes, so we gonna get the nicest picture. Okay, guys, right now we are getting very nice picture because it is all time high, guys. I have never seen this much high in natural gas. We can switch it on 1 month also, guys. You can see all time high it's going on, all time high. Okay, guys, so we can switch it on 1 hourly time frame. Now we gonna see where the market gonna work. So right now it's in a consolidation phase. Why I'm telling this? Okay, this has been broken, not here are the sellers are so much dominating. You can see that here only continuously consolidation happened. What we have to expect right now, first of all we have to see for downward only, but first of all what I am seeing is that here is the trend line. Okay, guys, this is the trend line what market is following right now. So what I have to see that if this is broken, then exactly first target you can reach up till here, taken resistance, then you can take your second target, guys. Okay, guys, this will be the second, this will be the third, this will be the fourth target, this will be the fifth target. Why I'm telling you in downside only, guys, because this has been reached very all-time high market. If you have possibly seen also, what happened is that somewhere you have been taken at 6. Okay, guys, you have bought at 6 7 because future also there, so they can buy and wait for a bigger momentum, so it can reach for 10. So almost they have got very huge amount of money, so then do not try to take it once again upside momentum. But this is not sentiment for the market, because of this is the, you know that the war is going on, so nothing is there to explain you because of Russian crude oil and this all, that's why it's going so much high and high. If possibilities that the Russians and whatever its conflicts is going on can removed or solved right now, so it continuously came downside and we can make very huge money with the short position. Okay guys, right now we can trade for intraday only. So if it will take once again support, then we can expect up till here is our first target. After that, this will be the second target guys. If this has been taken 3 times, it has been tested right now, so this will be the broken and it will goes for up till here, and your last target will be 10,500. Okay guys, these are the first, second and third target is. Remember this is the huge momentum is coming in natural gas, so do not miss it guys. Hope you like this video also, getting the knowledge guys. Knowledge is more precious than anything guys. I am only giving you the knowledge. I do not want the so many people can came and watch this video and make something like this or that. No, I want only the thing is that because you are the loyal traders and you have to make a huge amount of money, that's why I have told you how to trade and how you have do not have to trade guys. Sorry for in between. So do not have to trade because of I don't want to, and I don't like that you have wasted your money because you have made it so much hard-earned money. So I do not want to take that money into the simply like anything. So that's why I am trying to explain you all these things. Right now you can seeing that this will acting as a one of the resistance because this is the trend line, and now right it will act as a resistance. So what we have to do is that if it will take somewhere here only resistance, you can expect your first target will be here, second target up till here guys. Okay guys, okay, I have told you only second target up till you can take it out because our accuracy is 70 to 80%. Sorry guys, our accuracy is 90 to 95%, but in second target only it will reach, and possibility is very high it will reverse. So that's why I'm telling you. Okay guys, this will be the second target, and this will be the third target, and this will be the fourth and final target. Okay guys, this is the very huge amount of fall what I am seeing, but right now it is consolidation phase. Once again it will take somewhere here only support, then you can expect your first target, this will be the second, this will be the somewhere third, and fourth target will be very small, this will be the fifth target. Okay guys, here also I am seeing the one of the trend line. So somewhere like this is the triangle pattern. If this will also one of the possibilities that consolidate and broken downside, then gives us very huge momentum, because here you can see that what happened is that just a second, here downfall has been came, consolidate, came downside once again. Like this, very high probability is that it will be happen. So you have to see just like this guys, so you gonna get the very huge amount of money. Okay guys, no worries about it guys. If you have any doubt, any queries, please comment me down, so I will happy to solve your all problems guys. Hope you like this video guys. Also, I do not want the so many people, or I am not making the money purpose this YouTube channel I have opened. Just you have to increase your knowledge. What I do not get in the market when I am there, I do not get this much mentorship or something like that. So that's why I am open this channel, and you have to take the knowledge and make huge amount of money, because I know that you are making so much harder money, you are investing or trading. So do not make any losses for like that only. Please do learn and then invest or do trading, so you can get the very huge amount of money. Also in Netflix, I have told you also in Netflix, I will just take you in that Netflix, just a second guys. So here is the Netflix. We can switch it on a daily time frame guys. I have always tell you that guys, you can get very huge amount of bigger amount of this thing, but I have told you here also, if it will take support, then only goes upside. Okay guys, that is another way. You can see that here only trend line, this trend line is broken. Also I have made a dedicated video that when you have to buy the Netflix share, and it gonna gives you very huge amount of money. You can see here up till from here also you have buyed also, then also it made you a 33% profit, guys. All time high 30. All okay, 30 is enough, but it taken at least 33. Okay, guys, so it is enough, guys. So you hope you have also invested here, guys, and made a huge amount of money. Hope you like this video, guys. Thank you for watching so much and supporting me so much like this, guys. Hope you learn so much from this video, guys. Thank you for watching, guys.